Hey guys, now back with another product review. Today on the Snow Gel SPX4000. It's a pressure select pressure washer. The knobs are right here to change it to low or high pressure. What I like is that it basically comes assembled already. It comes with the wheels. All you basically do is put this part on top and click it on. Also, what I like about the gun is at the tip. It's very heavy. I think aluminum or steel, and then this is pretty good quality. The hose doesn't seem 25 feet long. I'll probably check it in a little bit. It was labeled as 25 feet long, but it doesn't look like it. But let me just put this together and I'll be washing a Jeep shortly. Alright guys, now I have connected everything together. It took me about like 8 minutes actually. I just want you guys to see, look, my patio's up here. I just didn't want to connect it up there, but connect down here. When I looked up this machine, it says it comes with this type of connect. And it's for, it won't blow a fuse or something like that. That won't pull too much power out of that outlet, so it won't blow. Which I found to be really nice. And also, you can see, like, look at the wires. I mean, it's, the pressure washer is over there. And it still has, like, all this loose wire. And there's, what I like also is that it comes with this connect that goes inside. And it has a filter here and a filter there. Basically, if your hose for some reason has any dirt or anything, it won't go inside the machine, it won't mess it up. What I also like is that right now it's actually on, but it's not making any noise. You can see there's on low, and it's off, and then high. Low being, I think, 1000 for 100 PSI, and this one's high will be 2030 PSI. I think, I'm not, don't quote me on that. But so far, I'm pretty happy with it. You can see, let me just pull this out. I have the 40 angle tip right now on. I'm liking this machine a lot, actually. It cleans up the tire really good. Sorry, it's pretty hard to do this one hand. There you go. It cleans up the rims pretty good. And like I said, I don't think this is a 25-foot hose. But so far, I'm liking this. You can see there's some dirt on this, like down there. And I want to see if I can take it off. This is considered the lowest pressure, like the tip end over there. And with that, it took off all the dirt from the rim without having to scrub. I'm actually pretty impressed with this product. I'm just continue washing, but this is the end of this video. The Snow Gel SPX4000. I would recommend it, actually. Thank you.